Since Facebook changed its name to Meta, Metaverse has been the trending buzzword. When the word is mentioned, your mind takes you back to Ready Player One and Tron, doesn't it? Those movies were amazing, but wrong all the same. The Metaverse they talk about is not in the future. It's already here, and I can tell you how to make money with the Metaverse in 2021. The Metaverse is an internet, experts call it Web 3.0, that uses virtual reality and augmented reality to merge our digital and physical lives. The result is a sort of second life in the present. Or are we going back to the future? Besides being a whole new way to exchange information, the Metaverse is also a means of earning income. There is a lot of money to be made in this VR/AR universe, and this video is here to tell you how to make money with the Metaverse in 2021. If you have doubts, wait until you find out that $400 million have been invested in non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are a medium of exchange in the Metaverse. $40 million go into the Metaverse every month, and NFTs are breaking grounds at neck-breaking speeds. In March, Christie's auctioned an NFT by Beeple for over $69 million. Should I say that amount again? $69 million. Now here's a fun fact, liking this video and subscribing to the channel has a 99.9% possibility of helping you make a lot of money with the Metaverse because, well, you will know a lot about making money with the Metaverse. Now, how do you make that money? Number 1. Creating NFTs. This would not come as a surprise to those that are familiar with NFTs. The digital space has been talking about them all year, and it seems they are not about to stop. Non-fungible tokens are digital forms of basically anything that can be designed with a computer. In more technical terms, an NFT is a unique digital file that is stored on a blockchain and traded. It could be audio, video, building, product, wearables, and so much more. In the Metaverse, these digital files are valuable because they represent physical objects. If you can create one, there is a market waiting for you. Art collectibles are the most popular type of NFTs right now, and for good reason. Digital images are both easier to distribute and require small memory space. However, the market is not only for artists. Games and sports trading cards can also be created and sold. To create an NFT is relatively simple and can be learned in a single day, but you would need some skill at graphic design. It is a good option to consider. Beeple, a graphic designer from Florida, catapulted to fame when his Every Day's the First 5,000 Days artwork was sold for $69 million. This makes it the third most expensive artwork by a living artist. Number 2. Buying properties. The Metaverse is meant to represent the physical world in a digital space, so there is a virtual landmass to be bought and sold, as well as real estate properties. The general idea behind this is to buy land, generate income from it, then sell it when the price rises. There are a host of sites to buy land. Examples are Decentraland, Axie Infinity, Sandbox, and Illivium. Decentraland is currently the most popular site to get land on the Metaverse. When you enter the site, you click Properties and it displays a host of assets to buy. The native token Mana is used to make purchases, and a Mana costs $3.18. The cheapest land on Decentraland cost as much as 3,750 Mana, which is about $9,000. If that is what cheap means in the universe, imagine what expensive would mean. This is a sure indication of how well the Metaverse market is booming. You would probably get cheaper options on Axie Infinity or Sandbox, so check them out too. After buying the land, you can build on it or use it to advertise your products or that of someone else as you wait for a price hike to sell. An alternative to holding your asset and waiting for a price hike is to rent your plot. You can rent your plot to game developers, creators, and earn a monthly rent. This would generate a substantial passive income for you. 3. Metaverse tokens. Crypto traders would find this interesting, I can bet. Let's go back to the sites we talked about before. Decentraland, Axie Infinity, and Sandbox. Each of these platforms has its native tokens. For Decentraland, it is Mana. Axie Infinity uses the AXS token, and Sandbox uses Sand. These tokens can be bought and resold at a slightly higher price, similar to day trading, or held until the token spikes in price. This is a good option for those that are too cash-strapped to purchase land on the Metaverse. According to CoinMarketCap.com, Mana costs $3.18, while AXS and Sand are $92.77 and $4.88 respectively. These tokens are either having a bullish run or expected to have one, so they are worth investing in. You can also check out Illivium's ILV, which costs $3.56. Number 4. Metaverse Index. Now, what if you are not experienced in trading tokens or do not have the time to research and pick one to invest in? That is where the Metaverse Index comes in handy. The Metaverse Index, MVI, is an aggregation of all Metaverse tokens. By investing in MVI, you are betting on all the tokens combined. By checking allocations, you will be able to see all the tokens under the index. Mana, ILV, and AXS are among the top tokens. The live price of MVI is $208.88. The charts show it has previously peaked at $233, which shows how well it can be. Number 5. Metaverse Services. Another means of making money with the Metaverse in 2021 is by providing services. There are a variety of services that are needed in the Metaverse, such as designing arts as NFTs, developing games, designing logos, and ads. The first step is to create an account on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. The first two are common choices, so you can leave out LinkedIn if you wish. If you have an account on those platforms already, then all the better. Create your portfolio and dedicate time to growing your account. It might take a while to be successful at this, just like other niches on Fiverr and Upwork can be, but you are at an advantage. Metaverse services are still relatively new in these spaces, so in the long run, there are massive benefits to be gotten from doing it. Number 6. Metaverse Stocks. Buying Metaverse stocks would be easier for experienced investors than novices. Several companies are moving into the Metaverse and their stocks are available for trading. Nvidia, AMD, and Roblox are some companies worth looking into. You should consider this when thinking about the Metaverse. In the next 5 to 10 years, more than half of the world's population would be on it. It's like joining the internet in the 1990s. Few could really comprehend how big it would turn out to be. Number 7. Play games and earn. Roblox, Minecraft, and Fortnite are some of the most popular games on the Metaverse. Gamers are provided with an option to log in playing time and earn money. In Southeast Asia, there are blockchain-based games through which players can earn a living annually. Axie Infinity pays its players as much as $5,000 per month. Number 8. Become a land broker. So we are going back to real estate again. In the Metaverse, some whales own large plots and need to sell. You can become a land broker and help them sell their land at a good price, which would earn you a commission. The best way to foray into this is to own a couple of plots yourself. By doing so, you will be able to enter the landowner community and make connections. I will recommend Metaverse Property as a place to buy land. It is the world's first virtual real estate company, arguably, and functions just like Decentraland, but it has a catch. The platform has a real estate investment trust, REIT, which is a safeguard for investments. It means the company buys real estate, then distributes it among shareholders. Number 9. Create a business. The Metaverse is a marketplace as well as a community, so it is only proper that you should be able to create a business in it. Your products could range from NFTs to virtual concerts. Snoop Dogg has a mansion on Sandbox and offered fans VIP tickets to his live show. You could also move your services from Fiverr and advertise them directly on the Metaverse. Number 10. Open an art gallery. Non-fungible tokens are no joke in the Metaverse. CryptoPunks and CryptoKitties are just two of many that have shown the world NFTs are serious business. Artworks and collectibles dominate the NFT niche, and each day they grow even more popular. Hence, an interesting business idea would be to open an art gallery to display these works. The gallery could also trade NFTs. The Metaverse offers a lot of opportunities that are waiting to be taken. Due to the rise of blockchains and cryptocurrency, it is becoming steadily adopted. As it grows, opportunities would become scarce. You should join the growing number of early adopters and carve out a space for yourself. And that is it. I hope that this video has served you well and answered some of your questions. Please do help us out and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos just like this one.